Hi learners, despite of this pandemic, learning must continue because in this world, education is the key. And today in math, we are going to talk about speed. And speed is not something new. Speed is what we have been learning since you joined school and even before you joined school. And today we want to talk about converting of meters per second into kilometers per hour. And as we convert, we always have a formula, a triangle formula, and this formula should just be in your mind. Whether you are sleeping or not, you wake up, this formula should be in your mind, whereby we have D, S, and T. D standing for distance, S standing for speed, and T standing for time. And here, D is equals to S times T, the way it is written there. And S is equals to D over T, whereas T is equals to D over S, the way it is written in the triangle. Therefore here, we want to convert meters per second into kilometers per hour, and we shall use an example of 25. Okay, we are converting 25 meters per second, not 25 kilometers per hour. 25 meters per second into kilometers per hour. First, we have to change 25 meters into kilometers. And when you are changing meters into kilometers, we divide by 1000. Whereas we take 25 over 1000. This one, we have converted this one into kilometer. And next, we convert 1 second into hours. And when we are converting 1 second into hours, we take 1 over 3600, whereas 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This 3600 is coming from now changing this one 60 minutes into hour, whereas you multiply 60 times 60, which gives us 3600 seconds. Now from here, now we know that speed is equals to distance over time. According to our triangle here, speed is equals to distance over time. And now here we have distance, we have time. Now we are going to take this distance, we divide by time. Distance is 25 over 1000. Then we are dividing by time. Time is 1 over 3600. 1 over 3600. With this one, when we are dividing, in division we usually change the division to become multiplication. Whereas our sum will be 25 times 3600 over 1000. Hello learners, we are supposed to simplify. 0 goes with the 0, 0 goes with the 0, and we have 5 goes here 2, 5 goes here 5, 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 18. Now our answer becomes 18 times 5. What is the answer, learners? 5 times 8, that is 40. You write 4. 5 times 1 is equals to 5 plus 4, that is 9. And it is in kilometers per hour. Learners, that was example 1. Example 2. Example 2, let's just use 15 meters per second. We change it into kilometers per hour. In simple time, when we are changing the other side around, we usually take 5/18. And now we are changing meters per second into kilometers per hour. Just take this 15 times 18/5. We know where this 18 is coming from when we were changing kilometers, when we are changing the meters into the distance into the distance which was into meters, and we are changing it into kilometers. We divide by 1,000, and when we are changing 1 second into hour, we divided 1/36. When you divide this one, it will give you 5/18. Now this one is the one now you can divide it direct instead of going through all those steps. And when you multiply this one, it will give you the answer direct. 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 3. Now it is 3 times 18. The answer becomes 3 times this one times 8, that is 24. 3 times 1, that is 3, plus 2, that is 5 kilometers per hour. And with that, learners, you will make your work easier and will save time. By just, when you are converting meters per second, you just take the meters per second given, you multiply by 18 and you divide by 5. With that, you get the answer direct and you will save time. And from there, let us do the work that will be given, and let's meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.